In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a grid report of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. This is useful when you want to view your submissions in a clean, organized table that you can customize and share. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form you want to create a report for and select the checkbox next to it. At the top of the page, click Reports, then select Add New Report. From the available report types, choose Grid Listing. Jotform will open the report builder and prepare your grid layout. In the Fields section, choose which columns you want to display in the report. You can uncheck fields you don't need, such as Submission ID or Submission IP. Scroll down to the configuration options to customize your report. You can enable password protection and set a password if you want to restrict access. You can also choose options such as Display Photos, Show Edit URLs, Same Frame, and Auto-Fit Grid. You can also set a maximum height for the grid in pixels. Once you've configured everything, click Create. Your grid report will be generated and saved in your Report section. That's how to create a grid report of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. Thanks for watching.